Hi there! Thank you for dropping by to our channel, and I hope you watch our video till the end, and I hope you enjoy it. And also, don't forget to leave us a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope you subscribe to our channel. Hi guys! So, we realized that we left our Christmas wreath in our old house in Nashville. And instead of buying new ones, we decided to make our own DIY Christmas wreath on front door. So stay tuned with us and see what we've got. So for this project, we were thinking about using pine cones, which are most popular stuff that they use for Christmas. And in this property, we've got a bunch of pine trees at the backyard. So we are about to go through this trail, and my son calls this the jungle. And we are about to see it. Be careful. Nice. Oh, that's perfect.
And I think I have some silver spray paint.
Silver. Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
Or you could do clear. Whatever, you just preserve them, you know. What? Don't look at me.
I'm filming.
Yeah.
Baby, don't pick your nose. We found it. And this is our woods. Back in the property. This is part of the property too. Okay.
No, look.
No.
By the pine trees.
There's more here. What do you think about this one?
If it looks good, grab it.
Oops.
Take my hand.
I'll go right here. Found one.
A lot of these pine cones are covered up in leaves.
Here. We don't need bunch.
True. But you might use them for other stuff.
In the Christmas tree? We could. Yeah. True. I want to spray paint that with gold.
I might have some gold.
Oh, you can? Probably the birds.
Look at that. Something's been digging around in there.
Let me show you our backyard. So this is our backyard full of pine trees, and it's kind of cool, very woody, it's kind of jungly. But my husband and I were thinking about building guest house here. It's pretty cool. I'm coming. Oh, look at that! What's that? It's like a... What is that?
Oh, that's deer poop.
Oh, deer?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's a deer poop. Maybe
small.
that may be where the deer have been.
That deer poop.
Oh, maybe
I
so.
see deer poop.
I'm surprised we don't see deer right now. Careful. There should be a stair here.
Yeah, we should make a little makeshift stairs.
Yeah, we should. Okay, back to the real world. Later, Bob.
Ready, you're big enough to walk. Come on.
I don't want to walk, Daddy.
No.
I want to walk.
I thought you liked to walk.
I don't want to walk, Daddy.
Then we'll leave you out here.
Okay, I think we've got everything that we needed, and let's get started.
Cut off a couple of extra pieces in case we need it.
So for this project, we just improvised whatever we've got using a electrical wire. We doubled it and shaped it in a round, and we've got also the leftover garlands, and we're just gonna wrap it around here. You can actually use a hanger wire if you have any, or a cardboard, and shape it into the round. We've also found the metal ornament hooks that we can use, leftover ribbons, ornaments, balls. After we wrapped around the garland, we're about to put the ribbon on it.
Okay.
Alright, to attach this ribbon, so we got this hook right here. We'll just insert that in here, and voila, just attach it here.
Yes.
Done.
Alright.
There.
Perfection.
Using our glue gun, we use that to attach the ornament balls and our pine cones. And there's our pine cones that we found at the woods at the backyard, and I didn't spray it, I didn't do any special on it because I'm too excited for this project. Ta-da! And this is our simple DIY Christmas wreath. You can always be creative, you can always put whatever you want in your Christmas wreath. But we spent nothing because everything was left over. Alright, I hope you all enjoy it. Hi guys, thank you for watching our video today. And I hope you learned something new today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!